When trying to manage and maintain large amounts of directories, whether they be on dozens of file servers or a single file server with hundreds of directories with shares on it, sometimes you get something like a permission creep, where just for the reason you need to, you go ahead and assign a person a specific permission instead of putting them in a proper group. One of the great things about Access Rights Manager is we'll actually show you how to remove these permissions in bulk based on the type of permission granted. Let me show you how it's done. So from the web interface, we're going to go to Analyze and Risk Assessment Dashboard. From here you can see we have a lot of directories with direct access, so we're going to go ahead and minimize the risks. And here you can slice and dice the data in all numbers of ways, but for me, I just want to remove the modify so people can read and execute everything. So I'll leave just modify. So now the list is showing only modify permissions. I'll select all of them, and I'll go ahead and remove the ACE. Now the important thing to do here is document your workflow. So per case number 42778. There we go. And then we can execute. So not only were we able to go ahead and remove all of those direct permissions and therefore fall back on groups, we were able to document the change with effective case notes. So if there's an audit that needs to be made, we'll know who did the work and when.